this is the end of this week. So I made a video for next week. This is my weekly video, and I am your host Yogesh Vats from Channel Trade and Grow. Hi, welcome back to your channel Trade and Grow. Whatever I discussed in the weekly update that you got maybe on Tuesday, I discussed about the last week weekly outlook of Nifty and Bank Nifty. You got the update on Tuesday also, and whatever I said in last week and in update on Tuesday, I will discuss same with you so that you can see the predictions of my Nifty and Bank Nifty levels and the depth which I showed you on last week, and I have been showing you for last couple of months. So let us discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty first with the update so that you can understand what I gave you in the updates and how the market reacted this week. Before that, I will discuss about the membership of my channel. Those who wants to get my membership of Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, they can get this analysis from this community tab. This is my channel page and this is the membership button. If you want to get details of my membership, whatever I'm providing in form of membership, you can get all the information from this tab. And this is the join button. If you join my channel, you have to use this button for joining my channel so that you can get aware of every move through my analysis before it happens. You will get that sort of facility and that sort of depth from my analysis which I provide every day in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let us discuss about the last week. Before going to the last week analysis, let me show you the graph of Bank Nifty. This was the graph of Bank Nifty, and the red color lines I gave on Friday last week. These blue color lines are different lines, but I gave only red color lines. So you have to see only the red color line in this context. And I show you the video of my the clip of my last week analysis in form of update also. You will get the update also. Basically, this is the update video where I updated the next move of rest of the days in the week. And I take you to my channel page, and this is the video which I posted on 6th of October. You can see 6th of October 21. Okay, this I posted, and I played for you from that clipping where I discussed about the main thing of this week. Please listen it carefully. This is the Bank Nifty update. I gave this update on Friday and I marked only these two levels. Those who have seen my Friday video, they can be very much acquainted with these lines which I showed in my weekly analysis on last Friday. So just you check, I made this zone, these three halts, 1, 2 and 3 halts, and this is the first support, and this is the second support, and this is the resistance here. You can check here today. This is the moment of Friday, and you can check here the market moved to exact to this level, because this is a daily chart, but I show you the time frame of the weekly chart so that you can check what marking I provided. See, this is the marking I provided on weekly analysis, and this is today's candle. This is today's candle, and you can check that today candle got resistance at this point, exactly at the same point. Market start from this point and it took resistance at this point. exactly why market did not come to this level. Okay, why it did not go upside. It's just stuck at this level. So this was the marking which I provided on Friday, and now I will discuss about this marking, what will happen next in Bank Nifty, so that you can be aware of that moment in advance. Uh, check, please try to see here. This is called the morning star pattern, and after this morning star pattern, you saw this upside candle. It means this morning star pattern is activated now. That shows that price should move to upside and crossing this level. That information we get from this pattern in the daily analysis. Okay, but you can see here the pattern is showing that it has been activated and it would move towards upside. But I made a resistance at this level. What I feel is that this resistance should work properly. What I feel for next trading day, that this resistance will not be taken out. When I talk about the taken out, it means if price goes upside and then it comes to this level and then it goes upside, is called taken out. So unless this price is taken out in this formation, we cannot say that this resistance has been crossed. This resistance will only be crossed when this sort of action will be seen in the market. If tomorrow you see this sort of action, then you can say that this pattern is going to work for next few days. If you do not get this sort of taken out pattern and you see the price moves to upside and then it comes back and take resistance of this resistance and then come out, it means this pattern will be failed. Okay, so you will have to see this information. What information I gave you? That if it crosses this resistance tomorrow and price comes back and take support of this resistance and then you moves upside, is then the trend will change to upside. Otherwise, the trend is downside. It can also possible that price will move up and it will stay at this point and then come down. So if this sort of movements you see at my level, then it means price is not going upside, it will move downside. So this you have to see in tomorrow's trading. So you saw the clip of update video which I gave on the Monday evening, because I talked about the single candle after the close of weekly candle. So you have clearly seen that I made 3 halts in red color and these are the same readings. Okay, now I take you to the daily analysis, daily chart, so that you can understand what I was talking about. And you already heard that I talked about this pattern. Those who understand the candlestick pattern, they know this is the morning star pattern. It means I talked about this candle when it got activated. I told you that it is activated, it means it should move upside. I talked about the same thing in the update. Okay, but what I told you in that case, if the price goes upside and takes support of this angle, then it is called taken out. I clearly mentioned in the clipping that if price moves upside and comes down and take resistance here, then it is not taken out. And what you are watching here is that the price went upside and then came down. See, it went upside and then came out. So the same thing I told you, you are watching rest of the day in the week. Okay, see, this is called the depth, because I have already manifested the move in my own way. That is why I discussed with you that this is my marking level, and if price has to go upside, since you have got the pattern and that pattern has already been updated, is already been activated, it means you will see the upside move. That chart is saying. But my experience, what my experience said, I showed you in the clipping, and you can see the price went upside but could not stay there and came back. That same thing I talked about, and you are watching the same thing here. It could not, though it is activated, it could not move upside. It means that level which I marked last week is completely intact level. It has not lost its shine. So this was the depth which I gave you in my update. And can you imagine, I gave that on Monday evening, and rest of the days price could not do this. This is how I provide the information. This is the information which I talked about the Bank Nifty. Now please see the information regarding the Nifty also. So I show you the clip of that update which I gave in the mid week. I am taking you again to the video clipping so that you can understand what I am talking about. What you have to say Nifty also, that is the same pattern. If this is taken out and take support at this level, then move upside is top, then you think that this is going to upside. Until unless you find this action, it will not go upside. Okay, so you have to see this sort of action tomorrow. This information I wanted to share with you. That is why I made this video, so that you can be aware of my analysis in advance. So you heard about Nifty also. What I talked about Nifty, you can see the chart of Nifty which I posted last week on Friday evening, and you are getting the same lines. 3 lines, 3 halts of red color. Forget about this blue, because I will discuss this blue color in later part of this video. So you just concentrate on 3 levels, the same reading and everything. And that is the marking which I made last week, and you can see price could not take it out, and it closed on this level. How perfect levels I made on my chart, and you see the precision not only in Bank Nifty, Nifty also. Let me show you the 1 day marking, 1 day movement of this daily chart of this Nifty also, so that you can understand what I am talking about. Just check. This is the movement of 4 days, and you can check the same level. It got rejected and price came to again same level, and what it made at here, a spinning top, simple spinning top. It means it is quite possible that price would move downside. So this is the marking which I shared last week, and how it worked, and how I updated each and every part of this marking. When the important information came, when the price reached at this level, then I informed you about the next move also by giving my insights, and you saw the same thing happen, because here also in Nifty the price could not take this action, taken out condition. It could not fulfill it. Okay, even though this candle shows that the price closed on the same level which I marked 1 week back. So my dear viewers, I give this sort of perfection to you, and I give this sort of experience of my trading to you, so that you can be better aware of the market move before it comes in the real form. You can join my membership anytime. You can get all details of my analysis through my community tab or membership tab, and you can join anytime. Most welcome in the family of Trade and Grow. And Trade and Grow means you trade and grow. That words this channel expect from everybody. Now let us talk about the next week movement. What will happen next week? That I want to show you what are the levels and what are the main points which you have to see while watching, while trading. So let me erase these 3 points for you, red colors, because these are now immaterial. Okay, now you can see my 2 markings levels. Just check these 2 marking levels, and this is how the market, the price will flow in next week. In this range, the price will flow next week. Price will only go upside when this target will be breached and it is taken out like this. Until and unless this action will not perform on this resistance, you cannot see the price going to upside. Okay, same thing can happen. What can happen as happened in this week? It may happen that price would cross it and then come to the same territory and takes resistance of this and then come down. So you have to remember, if price could not take it out like this, then price is not going to move up. It will only move up when this sort of action you will find in next week. So this is your lower side. When this side will close or this side will be taken out, then I will inform through my video. You better wait for that update, or if the same thing happens here, I will inform you through my video, so that you can be aware of that particular moment also. Now let us discuss the case of Nifty also, so that you can understand what is happening in Nifty and what would happen the next week. Let us forget about the red color lines which I made for you. Let me delete them so that there should not be any confusion. Oh no, sorry, I should not basically remove it. I have to remove these 2. Okay, fine. Now you can see that I have removed all the previous marking. Only I took one marking, that is the upper resistance marking, that is same. So what you have to see in Nifty also, that if price take out like this to the upside, then if this taken out condition is fulfilled, then you will see the price going to upside. Otherwise it will not go upside, it will come to this level. Until unless this level is taken out, you cannot see the price moving to downside. So in this case also, you have to see this movement, and these are the 2 markings for the next week. If there would be any change in the price action, I would inform you before it happens. Okay, so you have to wait for my update for the next week. Whenever I give you the update, don't miss it. It has a value. I am proving in every analysis every day in form of my marking levels, which I provide every day in the community tab, so that you can use these marking levels as a support and resistance and can attain success in your trading. I will meet you with the next update in the next week. Till then, good day, goodbye.